What's up, my little maniacs? So today we are going to be unboxing this. Now it's already open because, me thinking I was recording actually was not recording. So, yeah, I got some better lighting now. Okay, I guess let's just start with the first sponge. This is really hard to do with one hand. I'll see you back whenever it's done. Alright, got it unboxed. So I guess let's just review all the cards in it. I'm going to take a few so I can do it with one hand. Alright, so we got, oh, there's a glare. Hang on, this light. Okay, focus. Lieutenant Surge's Raticate. Blaine's Tauros. Lickitung. Raticate. Another Raticate. Erica's Clefairy. Brock's Lickitung. Snorlax. Eevee. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. The cards were stuck together. We got an Eevee, a Sparrow, another Sparrow, oh, a cute Jigglypuff, a Pidgey, Meowth, another Meowth, a Clefable, a Rattata, oh, another cute little Eevee, look at that, Clefairy, again, another Eevee, another Sparrow, another Meowth, a Lickitung in a different language, a Doduo, another Meowth, oh my gosh, another Meowth, what is this? A Tauros, a Ditto, oh my gosh, you know what guys, this deserves a sleeve. Now let me put this, I'll put this on the ground because that's where I can put it. I'll see you whenever I get the sleeve out. Alright, I got the sleeve out. Oh, hi kitty. Now let's see if I can put it in this, oh, come on. Put it in the sleeve without having to put down the phone. I might have to put down the camera. So. Yeah, I have to. I'll see you whenever it's in the sleeve. Alright, got it in the sleeve. Now let's just give it a few little light taps. Alright, got it in there. We're going to put this Ditto right over here. Actually, we'll put it up here. This is where the VIP section is. Alright, get it to focus again. Alright. We got another Rattata. Rattata. I don't know, really. A Farfetch'd. Oh, there's a kitty too. Okay, focus, a Doduo, Sabrina's Porygon, another Porygon, another Clefairy. Is it stuck together again? Oh, I did it. A Dratini, another Meowth, another Sparrow, Lickitung, Double Blade, 3 Double Blades. What is this package? I got this off eBay, and this package is really bad. Okay, next of the stack. Another Double Blade. Sabrina's Slowpoke. Oh, it's gotta focus. Okay, Sabrina's Slowpoke. Drowsy. Nidorino. Sabrina's Ghastly. Nidorino. Ghastly. Coughing. Another Ghastly. Golbat. Drowsy. Another Drowsy. Haunter. Oh. Glare. Nidoran. Nidoqueen. Slowpoke. Another Ghastly. Another Nidorino. Another Drowsy. Another Haunter. Another Nidoran. Grimer. Oh! Oh, this one's not shiny or holographic. Nidoking. Nincada, Wurmple, Amoonguss. It's a cute little mushroom guy. Ariados, Treecko, Sunkern, another Treecko, Pansage, Bounsweet, Butterfree, Parasect, Fomantis, Bayleaf, and a Tangela. Alright, what we're going to do this time, I might make a part 2, but we're just going to finish this stack, because if I don't just finish this stack, it's going to be a very long video. So, let's just take this. Alright, we got Koga's Coughing again, Erica's Execute, a Ninjask, Metapod, Burmy, Sandy Cloak, level 11. Another Nidoran, which this is one of the first editions, I believe. Heracross, Wimpod, Cacnea, Cascoon, Combee, Hoppip. Alright, sorry for that. A guitar was being played and it's a very loud guitar. Alright, let's get back to where we were. Focus. Sunkern, Cricketune, Silcoon, Lieutenant Surge's Voltorb. Oh no. Electabuzz, Electrode, Electivire, Voltorb. A Hollow Detective Pikachu. Looks like he's having the coffee, like in the movie. Oh, a Raichu, a Pikachu, another Pikachu. Oh my gosh, another Pikachu. Lieutenant Surge's Magnemite, Electrive, Electabuzz, Lieutenant Surge's Voltorb again, Magnemite. Alright, sorry about that. Growlithe, Machoke. Oh, look at that cute little Vulpix. Look at it. Oh, Charmander, Growlithe, Ponyta. Look at that artwork. Oh, look, there's a first edition Ponyta from XY Evolutions. Oh, the cat is back. Another Growlithe. Blaine's Growlithe. Look at that artwork. That's a great artwork. Vulpix. Oh, look at how cute it is. Look at that. And another Charmander. So far, the only thing we've gotten that's pretty good is this Ditto. Alright, let's get on with the stack. I have the sleeves just in case we run into something pretty good. Oh, hang on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had to go do something. Alright. Blaine's Growlithe. Oh, that glare. This card is a bit bent. You see that? Right here, you see that little crease there? Whatever, I guess. I did get this off of eBay. And this is just to warn y'all about this on eBay. Vulpix. Misty's Poliwhirl. Misty's Seal. Magikarp. Alolan Sandshrew. Goldeen. I like that artwork. Look at that. Misty's Magikarp. A Sea King. Oh. Sabrina's Psyduck. Poliwag. Poliwhirl. Another Poliwag. Starmie. Almanite. Ooh, this looks like the first edition, I think. Maybe. It's a nice card. Oh, it does have a bit of a crease over there. The centering is actually pretty good. Okay. Another Magikarp. A Horsey. Tentacruel. Staryu. Starmie. Ooh, look at that artwork on this Lapras. There's no creases or anything. Sides look pretty good. Centering. Oh, the centering is not too good. Look at that over there compared to that. Whatever. Magikarp. Oh, look at that artwork. Horsey. Shelder. Squirtle. A Seal. Staryu. Horsey. Poliwag. Another Seaking. I feel like the people that are selling this just are selling all their Pokemon cards. And are just like all of their like Pokemon cards that have... It's like they just emptied their Pokemon binder actually. Horsey. Poliwag. Ooh, look at that artwork on the War Turtle. No creases. Not bad centering. Shelter, look at how cute that looks. A big tongue. Squirtle, oh, it's so happy. Misty's Horsey. Looks like it's squirting some ink. Magikarp. Dratini. Oh, look, another Dratini. Alolan Dugtrio with those wigs. Tremendous wigs. Oh, here we go. A reverse hollow first edition Sandshrew. I'm gonna get a sleeve for that. Let's see when I get the sleeve on. Alright, I got the sleeve on it. Now let's give it a little tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, dang it, it's a bit crooked, but, you know, can't always be perfect. Alright, let's put this Sandshrew next to the Ditto. The Ditto is in the VIP section. This one is just the hollow section. Oh, look at that. Reverse hollow Clefairy, actually. You know what? I'm gonna get like a bunch of stuff out. Sleeves out. I'll be right back. Alright, I got some sleeves out. And I even sleeved the Clefairy. Now let's give it a little tap, 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 tap. A little bit more. There we go. Put it over there with the Sandshrew. Oh, a reverse hollow Nidoran. I'm not going to sleeve it because it's going to make the video be a little too long. Reverse hollow Horsey. Mewtwo. Now, I'm not going to sleeve this because it has a little crease there. Still. Reverse hollow Drowsy. Reverse hollow Pharaoh. Oh, a hollow Ghastly. I like that. I'm going to sleeve that. I'll be right back. Alright, I got it sleeved. Now we gotta, again, give it a little tap, 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 tap. A little bit more. Tap, 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 tap. And there we go. It's all sleeved. Put it over there. Alright, another reverse hollow Clefairy. Ooh, reverse hollow Alolan Dugtrio. And a reverse hollow first edition Mew, it looks like. Now, I'm definitely going to sleeve that. I'll be right back. Alright, I got it in the sleeve. Now you know what we got to do. We got to go a little tap, 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 tap. And there we go. It's in the sleeve. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. And also, I have this whole box still. Tell me what I should do with it. If I should make a part 2 or if I should, I don't know, sell some of it. But thank you all for watching. This is going to be one of my longest videos. I'm sorry. I mean, it's not too long. It's only 15 minutes, but, you know. Well, thank you all for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.